Welcome to the Iron Tag. In this video, we will deeply discuss about Instagram Reel views. There are a lot of persons who need Instagram Reel views. So you will come onto the Park Social Panel website. You will select Instagram Reel views. Then there are order services. There one order services that is known as 114, and its best Instagram Reel views non-drop. Speed is also very fantastic, almost 100K per day, lifetime guaranteed. It's also recommended, and the amount of 1000 quantity is 0.013 dollar. If we want to see the minimum amount, you have to click here. The minimum amount is of 50. Best service of Instagram Reel views non-drop services. Speed is 100K. Starting time 0 to 1 hour. Refill lifetime. It's also highly recommended service. You will put link here, and if you want any quantity, for example, if I am writing 10,000 quantity, so you will be very surprised that 10,000 will be just in $0.13, and the 100K views will be just in $1.3, and 1 million, that's very interesting, 1 million just in $13. It's a huge thing. If you want 1 million views on your Instagram Reel views, you have to pay just $13. Then yes, I have confirmed, place the orders. So see you in another video. Take care, goodbye.